today, Children's Health has enlisted local celebs like Dak Prescott to honor patient superheroes and their caregivers. It's called Cape Day, y'all. Joining me to talk all about it is Brent Christopher, president of Children's Medical Center Foundation. Good morning, Brent.
Hey, good morning, Tashara.
Hey, first tell us what is so important about today and what is Cape Day?
Sure. So, we have Father's Day, we have Mother's Day. Who knew that superheroes get their own day too? But it turns out April 28th is National Superhero Day. And at Children's Health here in Dallas, we have turned that into Cape Day. It's an opportunity to celebrate the patient superheroes all across Children's Health, whether they're here at Children's Medical Center Dallas or up in Plano or one of our outpatient clinics or specialty centers all across North Texas. Cape Day is a chance for the whole community to rally around them and let them know how much we care about them.
Yeah, and that support is so necessary. You're distributing 7,000 capes to patients today. Tell us why that one garment is just so important.
Sure. So capes are a lot of fun. The patients love to wear them, but so do the doctors and the nurses and the families. Everybody all across Children's Health has a blast wearing capes on Cape Day. And, it gives a little bit of momentary distraction and a lot of entertainment for those patients, but it's also a terrific visible symbol of how much this community cares about kids, especially kids that may be in the fight of their lives. And we want to stand alongside them. The whole community is so supportive of Children's Health and the work that we do here to make life better for children every day.
I'll tell you what, Brent, I don't know if you were able to see that video that we were just showing right before we came back to you on air, and it looks like the healthcare professionals going all out with it too. And speaking of going all out today, like you're going out, like you haven't been able to do in a few years with a day full of activities, some superhero window washers. Tell us about them.
Yeah, so I was out there this morning. I saw Batman and Spider-Man both coming down the side of Children's Medical Center Dallas. They're going to be up in Plano as well. The great thing about today is that you can help out in so many ways. If you go to redballoonleague.com, think about how Batman and Superman have the Justice League. We've got the Red Balloon League. People associate this red balloon with Children's Health so much, and the Red Balloon League is how we all come together. And at redballoonleague.com, it'll tell you how you can make a gift or volunteer your time, or even just go out and eat some Mexican food. The great thing today, Cape Day is presented by Bank of Texas. Mi Cocina is one of our give back partners though, and you can go to any Mi Cocina anywhere across North Texas. And when you have maybe some chips and queso today, you can know that at the same time, they're gonna be given a portion of those proceeds back to Children's Health to support the kids and families that count on us every day. And in my book, I call that guilt-free queso.
I know that's right. I was just about to say, Brent, it's always a good day for some chips and queso. I can promise you that. Happy to hear Mi Cocina is partnering with you guys. I know you're going to have some sports stars as well pitching in to read to patients.
No doubt about it. So former NHL goaltender Marty Turco. We've got Dallas Cowboys. I think you saw earlier Dak is already wearing a superhero cape today. So much support from across the entire community. That includes those all-star athletes, and it includes your friends and neighbors as well. Everybody's coming together on Cape Day for Children's Health.
Well, you mentioned that we can stop by Mi Cocina to help out. I know you have other ways that the public can help support the kids at lunch today. Tell us about what's happening at Clyde Warren.
So at Clyde Warren Park, they're going to have food trucks out there today. And again, if you go to redballoonleague.com, you get a whole long list of all the different businesses and places across the whole North Texas region that have givebacks today to support the mission at Children's Health. We're grateful for our friends at Mi Cocina too, because they're bringing their food trucks to both of our hospitals today. They'll be at Children's Dallas and at Children's Plano. And that makes it all the more special for the patients, patient families, the caregivers who are here and can take a little break and enjoy a little Mexican food and help out at the same time.
Brent, I tell you what, my producer loving this conversation we're having so much, and I am as well. So she's giving us a little bit of more time here.
Nice.
Quickly, why is this day just so important for people to be a part of?
So, all of this is a really important boost for the patients and families that turn to Children's Health every day. And it lets them see how much the community cares about them. But the money that's raised today, when people make a gift on Cape Day, it goes to support patient and family services, which of course are very important. It also, though, helps to support life-changing research that happens here at Children's Health. We've got new mental health programs, all sorts of things that we do to make life better for children. And you can both give a real boost of encouragement by wearing a cape and know that when you make a gift, you're also boosting what happens to support these kids and their families through all the medical care that happens at Children's Health.
Brent Christopher, president of Children's Medical Center Foundation, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Appreciate it, Tashara, always. Thank you.
Absolutely.